I've been with friends, I've been so long, where do I begin? And to me you are a star, so still. Even though I found your pretty ass out in Mobile.
What's up, y'all? It's Alfred and I'm back with another video. I know I haven't said that in a long time, but we're back with a tutorial. So first things first, jumping right into the video, I'm going to ventilate the frontal in order to get that hairline effect that I'm going for. Now, this isn't a ventilation tutorial, so you might have to go to another video. I'll link the one that I watched in order to learn this technique. But yeah, I ventilated the frontal using some Afro kinky hair to give me that, you know, hairline effect so that it looked as natural as possible. So first off, I'm just hot combing the hair back just to get the straight hair back, and then we're gonna start the ventilation process. So I have both sides of the hairline ventilated so far, and y'all, this low-key took me like a week. Don't underestimate the timing that goes into like ventilation. I'm just going ahead and outlining the hairline so that I know exactly where I want to ventilate. And I am ventilating it in a boxy hairline pattern just because that's how my natural hairline is. If you are like a woman and you want to do the same step, just don't make the hairline as harsh. I would say just follow the natural hairline of the wig already and you will get the same effect. Just gonna go ahead and continue ventilating the frontal all the way through, and I'll hop back in when we move on to the next step. So now that the frontal is fully ventilated, I'm just gonna take my clippers to shave down the hair, and I'm gonna treat this as like a normal hairline at this point since the hair is ventilated. I'm gonna use my guards to adjust how much hair I'm cutting. I'm gonna go slow because I don't wanna cut too much down. So take your time with this if you do decide to do this technique. But yeah, I'm just gonna shave it down until I get my desired look. So moving right along to toning the wig, you guys, I'm gonna take the Red Can 10G to go ahead and give me like that, how would I describe this color? Like a soft blonde color instead of like a regular 613 color. I'm just gonna use this and just put this all over the hair and let it sit for like 15 minutes just so that it can saturate the hair and tone the hair out. And I'm also gonna use 8N, Wella 8N at the root of the hair. But I didn't get a chance to show you all the actual bottle, but I used 8N at the roots of the hair and 10G at the bottom of the hair. Yeah. moving right along to the install, you guys. After styling it, I just decided to straighten it because I knew I wanted to do like some beachy tossed waves. The install is very self-explanatory. I'm just gonna push my hairline back so that none of my hair gets caught in the glue, so the illusion doesn't mess up. And then we're just gonna outline the lace on my skin just so that I know where I'm placing the glue and everything. And we're just gonna install her like normal. So I'm not really gonna talk too much in this part because I want you all to just see everything that I'm doing. I'll hop back in when we're all done. Now after the curls are set, we're gonna take off the band and boom, voila, the wig is on, the illusion is there, and the wig is eating. What can I say? So this is pretty much the end of the video. I'm just gonna give myself like a lining just to perfect everything. And yeah, I'm just gonna add like a few little layers in the hair and we're done. Thank you all so much for watching. We are back. It's 2025. More videos will be coming, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you aren't already. Like the video, share it, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye.